Hello guys, a new mining coin, chatai. This new coin for mining. This is the application. The link will be in description. Also in the first comment of the video, you register with your email and password. Then you download the application to get 15 chatai coin for free. Like you see, for 15 chatai it's equal to $35. And you work daily in this application. You click here in operation, you click, you will find run. You click run daily every 12 hours. You click run, that's all, and it will collect for you free chat AI. It will be released in 2 months. It is in listed in Binance wallet. The link of the wallet will be in description. Also link of MetaMask. You can add this coin to MetaMask. The link of the contract address will be in the description. Like you see, it's very simple. Collect as many as you want of this new coin. Don't miss this one. Also you will find the Avcoin airdrop in the link in the video, also with other mining coin from Telegram application. You can join all this application and watch my videos in channel about that. If we go to our MetaMask, we found our MetaMask here. Like you see, we'll open now our MetaMask. If you want to use MetaMask, but it's listed now in Binance wallet, the link of the wallet will be in the description. Let's go to Binance wallet. This is our Binance wallet. Like you see, I already registered in the Binance wallet. If we go to market and search, like you see, global debit, like you see, this is the coin will be released as soon as possible. If you look here, you will find the chat AI. This is our coin. This is the initial price, $0.8. Like you see, it's a huge price. Like you see, this is the chart of the coin. When it released, it will be have a high price. You can use this wallet. Also, you can use MetaMask wallet. Like you see, we open our MetaMask wallet. We open now our MetaMask wallet. I will show you how to add the coin. We open, just wait to open my MetaMask wallet and copy the contract address. That's all. You put in MetaMask wallet, you choose BNB Smart Chain network. You click here in the middle, you choose BNB Smart Chain. Like that. Like see, I already add. You click in import token. You click in custom token. You add the contract address. Like you see, you click import. I already have. Like you see, this is my chat EA. It's imported, but I advise to use Binance. It already listed in the wallet. When it released after 2 months, you will have many of chat AI in this one. Like you see, you can get free coins in your wallet. After that, you can sell it for money. All link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.